Dumpster rental service in Gretna, Nebraska. At 402 Container, we specialize in providing dependable dumpster rental service in Gretna, Nebraska. We know the importance of having a clean and safe space during your project. Our mission is to make waste disposal simple and stress-free for our customers. We provide prompt dumpster delivery and pickup at the best time for you. Whether you're tackling a home renovation or managing a large commercial project, we can help. Our dumpsters are clean, sturdy, and ready to handle any mess. Our friendly and knowledgeable team will assist you in choosing the right solution. We're here to ensure your project runs smoothly without waste worries. We take pride in offering transparent service and responsible waste disposal practices. Your satisfaction and a clean environment are our top priorities. Call 402 Container at 402-979-5900 to schedule your rental today. Let us handle the mess so you can focus on what matters most.